Hello, this is Jo from Cranberry Beads here. This video is going to be all about elegant element clasps. Currently we are stocking the clasps mainly for bracelets, so the flatter style. These are lovely clasps, they're high quality, they're made in Germany. They are either gold plated or rhodium plated. So when I refer to the silver colour, it's rhodium, rather than silver plated. It's much more resistant to tarnishing. The ones that I have here, this is a swirl design. Sorry, this is the textured design. Comes in the gold and the silver colour. It's a 4-strand. And this one here is the swirl design. Again, the 4-strand, and it comes in the silver and the gold. If I just open it for you, you just press the tab and pull it apart, and then listen for the satisfying click when it closes. Yeah, it's very secure, and it's quite easy to do it with one hand. They come packaged individually in these protective plastic packs. The different lengths are available for special order, not a problem, just contact me and I can give you some options and prices. Next up I have these Delica clasps. So there's another video that you can watch, it's on Facebook and YouTube just like this video is, and it will show you how to use the Delica clasp. These come in silver and gold. This is a 4-strand one, a 3-strand one, and a 2. So it depends on what size of bracelet you're making. You choose the appropriate length. The next group of clasps that we have are called Bead Slide clasps. Now, it's probably best if I show you them in use before I show you the individual design. So, this is the Bead Slide clasp. It's got that usual pull in, pull out clasp, but how you attach the beads is very different. It's actually, this part of the clasp is a tube, hence the Bead Slide. And what you have to do is do 2 rows of square stitch, and 1 row slides into that tube, and then these ends fold down. You can just about see the tubes here, one on each side. Now, I have used just slightly too many beads in this bracelet. I could have done with 1 less, so the lugs are not sitting perfectly flush, but you get the idea. So it's very neat. You don't have to, go back and forth through the multi-strand holes from the other bracelet. So just a nice, neat way of doing it. Now, these come in different lengths again, different colours, and these also come in different patterns as well. Okay, so that's the silvery finish, shorter, the gold with the cross hatch, it's a bit longer, and that's a silvery one as well, the gold with a cross hatch finish pattern. The final clasp that I'd like to show you is a combination of the Delica clasp and the Bead Slide clasp. So these are quite new in. I'm loving the idea of these. So you can actually see on the end here the tubes, how you attach the clasp to your bracelet, and on the front you've got the 3 grooves. Yep. So I've got these in 2 colours and the different lengths. But once again, if you want a shorter or a longer one, I'm happy to get these on a special order for you. So once again, these are the clasps being used. And you can find these clasps on the website cranberry.net.au under Findings, Base Metal Clasps. And then they are under the Elegant Elements category. I've put them all together now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you do have any questions.